Hello, I need to file a claim.
I can help with that. To get started, could you please provide your policy number?
Yeah, it's 42981.
Thank you. What is the reason for this claim?
Someone broke into my apartment.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is everyone in the home okay? And is the situation safe now?
Yeah, everyone is okay and the situation is safe.
That's a relief. Can you describe what damages or losses you've observed?
2 watches were stolen from my bedroom. One was Rolex and the other one was vintage Omega.
I understand. When did this incident take place?
Yesterday, April 30th at around 9 or 10 p.m.
Thank you. Was a police report filed?
Yes.
Could you please provide the report number and the police department that issued it?
Yeah, San Francisco Police Department and the report number is 77821.
I have those details. A claims adjuster will be contacting you shortly to discuss the next steps and potential coverage. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Just want to add that the total value of those 2 watches combined would be somewhere around $50,000.
I have noted that estimated value. We'll include that in your claim.
Thank you. And if needed, I can also provide the receipts for those watches and a few older photos showing me wearing both the watches.
That would be helpful for the adjuster. If needed, they will contact you directly.